Morning! I really wasn't well last night, so we never got to the fireworks or into the Disneyland park. So we're up this morning, extra magic hours. It's actually pouring down with rain, so I don't know how much of Main Street and that I can film, but it's to stop raining about lunchtime, so hopefully I can get that a bit busier. How do you feel about seeing the castle?
Very excited, and it's sort of back to when we seen them the last time in good memories.
It's very exciting. We're going to head straight back to the back of the park for Peter Pan, that kind of thing, and then head forward, so we'll see what we can do. Hopefully today as well we get to do a wee tour of the hotel and go and visit the swimming pool. So I'll catch up with you and we'll see what we can do. As you can see, it is absolutely chucking it down. So I'm not going to be able to film because the camera will get wet. We're just at the airport, we're going on our Star Tours thing, so where are we going? We won't know until we get on, but I'm really hoping...
Going on a mystery tour.
We do. I'm hoping to go on Naboo. Doesn't look like there's one for Naboo going anytime soon. Alderaan? Hopefully not. Here we've got airport staff. R2. So this is the kind of ship that we're about to get on. And this is the airport we're in currently, in space. Departures. Naboo, there is one, it's on time, hopefully we'll get on it. I just fell there, sorry about that. I was that busy looking, I literally just fell down a ramp. Big R2. You excited? I know how much of a Star Wars fan you are. Oh, there's one for Tatooine just leaving. Here's some droids. And it's quite fun here. You can see inside their X-Wing and it's super fun.
What is that? Oh, I don't have time for this. Destroy!
Oh no, they just destroyed the computer.
What? Oh, it was a computer. Well, why didn't you say so in the first place?
What a silly robot.
Oh.
And we've got some droids over here.
My bad.
And up here. Just getting ready. That's fun. It's so fun, like you're actually in the airport. And this is us if you look in here. And these things, when you look, that's us. And now we're just about to get on. So we're just in Frontierland and here's some of the Toy Story things. Here's the apples and here's some of the shortbread. They are pretty huge. I think they come in these wee cup things, which is quite fun. And there's some, yeah, there's a hand for comparison. How big are they? And some popcorn in wee buckets. And these are some cute wee straws you can get. How adorable are they? So it's been a pretty wet morning. I've not really been able to take you much, but we've just got on Big Thunder Mountain there.
Me too!
Like, oh my days, like...
I've got a sore nose.
She literally held her glasses on so much. I was like, it's not that scary, I promise. And it's not that scary, but it is quite fast. It's the wildest ride in the West.
My biggest fear was losing my glasses, because I can't see without my glasses.
If you're wearing hats and glasses, best remove them. Here we are, rainy morning activity. We'll see how wild she is. That door's open. There you go, wildest shooter in the West.
I still got it.
Some fun, crazy straws. Those are great. Lots of fun mugs over here. I love this Donald one. Oh my days. Oh, what are they? Those are so fun. I think they're like rosies. I'm not sure. We've got them in all different colours. We're just in Big Thunder Mountain, in the shop beside it. Just pretending we're in the Wild West. I love it. Some sweeties over here. Mmm, sweets. It's a huge popcorn. This is my hand for reference. That's huge. Look at this popcorn.
I would even put in the suitcase or
They are really cute. There's lots of fun sweeties. I like these things here. I remember eating them when they're really coconut marshmallows. And oh my days, 90s kids will remember these. But these are like mega size. No, we've got some cats and dogs mugs here. So this one's got all the cats of Disney on it. I'll try to get it in focus. Sorry, it's the lighting in here. You get the gist. And then there's a dog one. So it's got Pluto and the Tramp. Oh my days. Oh, Bolt. I love Bolt. Oh my days. And these, oh look at these bowls, they're glittery. And there's a Mickey Mouse one here. These little ponchos. These aren't actual size ponchos, but we will definitely need some. I brought my Pack-A-Mat today, so I'm alright. This is the Pixar one, so that's really cool. I've not seen this before. It's got all the things from Pixar. So it's got like Landfill, COA, Pizza Planet, Sunnyside Daycare, La Ratatouille, Monsters Inc. by and large. So like companies give you their pen, so it's like all the companies from Pixar. That's really cool. How fun are these plates? I was just looking because I really want this Donald one, but I think it will break on the way home. It's $7.99 and they've got them in like bowl forms. And how sassy are these mugs? Look at the little arm, that's so cute. My goodness, I love these little sassy mugs. They've got some kind of the newer ones that are kind of more old school. I know that sounds weird, they're new and they're like older, but that's the new thing that's coming out. And this little Donald ladle. I've seen Mickey ones before, I've never seen a Donald one. And they've got some more of the sketchbook sort of stuff. There's so much in this shop for all the dog lovers over there. We've got some dog bowls, Princess. That's amazing. And one here that has all the dogs on them. We've got a little one here for like the littler dogs. And then a cat dish for all the cat lovers over there. Those are so cute, I've never seen them before. Look at these Mickeys. I've got the cup with this Goofy on it. They're from Halloween. I love these. I didn't know you could still get these and they weren't a Halloween thing. Absolutely love them. He's so cute. €20. Look at these light up Lion King ears. They're so fun. Try to get them in a decent light, but it's not a very good model over here.
The same?
They are the same. There's them when they're turned off and then all flashy. I think these are early because we're literally missing the Lion King festival by like 4 days. So I think there's a lot of stuff here for that. And I think that may be what these are. They're really, really cool. We've got them in like a bag form and a t-shirt form. And there's all these fun like magnets. It's quite hard to see, but it's the same pattern as that. And of course you can get a mug. So the ground is well and truly drying up. Jackets are off. Everything's open. The park's been open for about half an hour now, so it's getting a wee bit busier. And we can actually get on stuff and bring you along, hopefully. Yep, that's the Alice in Wonderland maze. It's a lot of fun. So we just went and got a Mickey waffle to try. This one's got hazelnut on it, which is basically Nutella, let's be honest. How excited are you to eat this? How messy is this going to be to eat? They don't give you like a fork or anything. So nuts. Do you want me to hold this?
No, it's fine.
It's warm. They're all freshly made, which is quite good. It's a bit confusing. I'm going to show you. Like, where these people here, you pay there and then you go queue here. We queued here for ages and then got told to go pay there. And the people in front of us did exactly the same thing and now they're at the back of the queue. Which is a wee shame, but at least they're all freshly made.
It's very nice.
Is it good? Is it all spongy? Love it.
Very nice.
You can get either these or you can get it covered in sugar. Let's show you the menu here. So this is a sugar one, although yeah, in real life they are literally like covered as if like someone's just dumped a whole lot of sugar on top of them. And they are $4.99 and $5.19, and you get some ice cream, and also not on this menu there's like popcorn and juice and stuff, so it's really good. And this is just like windmill thing right in front of the teacups. Once again we are on an almost empty boat compared to really busy ones. It's a small world. We just came off of It's a Small World. What did you think of that ride?
That was cute, and it's good to show Wayne's diversity.
See, everyone that watches our vlog know that's my worst ride. I hate it. I absolutely detest it. It's just ridiculous. It's Chris's favourite ride. Chris, you have someone who has joined your side.
Oh, look at that! And the dress! Best friend. You're my favourite.
Just heading in to see Donald for Mickey's filler magic. Not sure when the next thing's going to be starting, but it's probably soon, I would say, 'cause looking by this queue. Hi, so we're just going to try and build this droid. So I've got a little yellow one and a red one, which is he. Some yellow legs. Sorry, this is pure out of focus. It's the best I can do. It's quite bad lighting. Just trying to put this wee middle leg on, and how smashing to see, look. And then to top him all off, give him that. Now how cute is he? He's coming home with us. Just over outside Hakuna Matata, we've got this wee guy's going to be playing the drums. He's just brought some people up to join him, help him. How fun's that? So we are just at Colonel Hathi's pizza place. We're going to go to Hakuna Matata, but it's shut. And I've got my little gluten-free salad with a bulky egg, which won't be getting eaten. And
Oh, it's a star pizza.
we got a wee star pizza. What's ham and cheese, I think?
Ham and cheese, I'll be picking the olives off.
No, there's no choice to do things. But this comes as part of a menu where you can get your drink and ice cream and a side salad as well for an extra $5, but it's just so warm, there's no point in getting all of that. But this looks really good. Just in the sweetie shop. How fun are these? fudge nuts, chocolates. I love that. Is that like the tiniest ratatouille? How cute is he? Squeak, squeaky, squeak. Lots of sweets. Look at that. That's really cool. It's like a big pier. Wow. And lots of sweets. $3.99 per 100 grams. So I think with like 5 sweeties you're probably paying a tenner. Slight over exaggeration, but the same. There's some fun aprons and stuff. And then you've got lots of Kinder things. They're fun. So we're just in the Hyperion Cafe, and as a recommendation from Chris, Ladybug's got the BB-8 burger. Now I never really vlogged this, so I'm taking the opportunity to do this. Look at that! How cool is that? Look at me photograph on your burger.
And this is a BB-8 dessert.
And this is a BB-8 dessert. Now I'm pretty sure Chris has had some sort of BB-8 on it. This one doesn't, but it's got some juice. So it was supposed to be $16.99 for all of this, but with the annual pass discount you get 10% off, so you save like £2.20 or something, which is quite good. I got myself a juice. We're just in here, got Mickey Mouse shorts playing. You can just sit in here and chill out. It's 10 o'clock, you can't really see, but the castle is right there. We've got an hour till the fireworks, so we're just having something to eat. Night 2, we're just back in our turn down chocolates, and we've got this little Sweet Dreams Cinderella card today. I just love this wee touch, it's so cute.